Today, I thank God for Madeline. From the moment they met, Edrick became playful and loving around Maddy, that hero that he had inside him. He takes care of her all the time. And Maddy's always there to patiently support him in everything he does. She is a source of inspiration, encouraging Edrick to become a better person and to work toward his dreams. So Edrick, it is now, more than ever, when you need to let out the hero within you so that your love becomes heroic. Heroic to the point of sacrificing yourself for the well-being of Maddy. I can clearly see how throughout all your life, God has been training you for this love commitment. Make of every day an opportunity to continue in eternal courtship, giving yourself heroically to one another.
But this is what's so great about Maddy, is that she cherishes and values her family above anything else. And Edrick, you are so incredibly lucky to now have Maddy as your family, because I know she's going to treat you and your huge extended family with the same kindness and love that I was fortunate enough to grow up with.
And so now, Maddy, Edrick changed for the better when he met you. And Edrick has always been an extremely genuine, huge-hearted, great, incredible person. But Maddy, you brought a more playful side out of Edrick, a more patient Edrick, a more loving Edrick. You brought an Edrick that's more at peace. And I want to thank you sincerely for that. Yeah, it's been really special seeing you become part of our family. And I can't wait to see our family grow, through you guys.
Your playful silliness warms my very soul. Your beauty is a warm light that soothes my weary eyes. Your humor and kindness melts my heart and reminds me to smile, because together we can make the world a better place. We make the perfect team. You help me grow and improve, be it fitness, spiritual, or academic. Together we grow. I might not take most things seriously, but I seriously believe you are my soulmate. I seriously love you and will love you forever. I know ever since we went to the drive-in that I loved you and that I could marry you someday. Together, we can be our true selves. Together, we can grow and create a better world. We are a perfect match. You are seriously my better half. Love, Edrick.
Holy Father, source of blessing for married life, we rejoice in our friends Edrick and Madeline, who today were united in the sacrament of matrimony. May an abundance of your blessings come upon them as they rejoice in your gift of married love.
The love that you're sharing right now is so precious, it's so deep, so pure.
I see in Edrick the same passion and selflessness as Maddy. Edrick, I welcome you into our family, and I know the two of you will keep each other very happy.